Hello. In this video, we will show how to activate the SETAF2018 desktop software. First, we open the Akzel Engineering folder from the Start menu and run the License Manager. In the License Manager window, you must enter the user ID and key1 to complete the activation. To get these values automatically from your SETAF account, keep Use SETAF credentials selected and click the Activate button. On the screen that opens, enter your SETAF account username and password. After entering the username, the system asks for the password. If you have logged in before, it may appear automatically. If not, type it manually. It must end with setaf.org. After clicking Sign In, you will see a message confirming the verification. When you close this window and return to the License Manager, you will see that the activation is completed successfully. After activation, the name of the active machine appears in the related field. It is also shown in the Registered Machines area. Click the Reset Machines button to remove all registered machines from your license. Thank you for watching.